Hey guys, it's CodingTuts. Welcome back to the fourth part of my series called How to Create a Flat and Simple Responsive Website like Triplagent.com. So let me review what we did in the last tutorial, and I'm also going to show you what we're going to be doing in this tutorial. Before we begin, actually, I want to thank you so much for 290 subscribers. That's just mind-blowing to know how many people actually have clicked that subscribe button on my channel, so that means that they like my videos. Thank you so much. I haven't imagined that. Never imagined that I could get so big. But yeah, so thank you, and to show you my greatness of my subscribers, I am gonna do a video on the most requested video on my channel for this series yet, and that is how to create this slide menu. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that, not in this tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to do that in the next tutorial, I promise. So it's actually I've scheduled my videos already, and I'm gonna be posting a video every Monday and every Thursday. So hope you look forward to that. So next Thursday you're gonna be seeing this menu. So yeah, 2 videos a week. Hope that's enough. If not, just make sure to leave in the comment section below if you have a better plan, and I'll see what I can do. But yeah, so what we did in the last tutorial is we finished 100% this header. It looks exactly like the header right here. Well, plus minus like 5 pixels here. You can see a little bit of difference. That's not really a problem. I mean, it doesn't really matter. And also, a little update. I removed the margin bottom of 200 pixels. I did that just to test it. I also put a margin. Wait, hold on a second. I think I put a margin bottom of the header, but I don't remember because I was testing something. I don't know. Oh no, wait, that's the video board. I'm sorry, that's the selection of the video that I'm recording. But anyway, so what I've also done is I've replaced in the HTML right here every double quotes. So I've replaced these quotes with these quotes, and it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really like do anything. It's just for faster loading speed. Now, it doesn't really matter in this case because it's not a huge project, but anyway, just like it better. So what we're going to be doing in this tutorial is actually we're going to be creating this whole section, yeah. So I've thought about something, and I think I know how I'm going to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a whole div that is going to wrap around everything right here to here. To the end of these cards, and it's also going to include this title, and then I am gonna do section. So each card is section, and inside there's going to be an article. So let's see how it works, and yeah, I mean, let's see how it goes. So actually what I'm planning on doing giving it a position of relative, and everything is going to have position relative, so I don't have to define the height or whatever. I think that's going to be best. So yeah, let's get right into the tutorial. So first, I wanna wrap around everything in a div. Now, I was planning on wrapping around everything in a main tag, but then I thought it's not really supported by many browsers. It's not that the section and the articles are, but I'm just gonna use them. So I'm just gonna wrap around it in a div ID, and I'm gonna give it an ID of let's say card holder, yeah. Oh, card holder. And I'm gonna close this. Wait, I'm just thinking. Yeah, no, okay. So now I'm gonna create an h1 tag, and I'm basically just gonna copy this. So I'm just gonna copy it. right here. Oh, but first we need to go here in the CSS and style it. So first it's gonna be card holder CSS. I'm just putting a comment to keep everything organized. Now I'm gonna put in the ID. I'm gonna give this a position of relative so I don't have to define the width. I mean the height. So the width is gonna be 100% of course, and the height I'm not gonna define it. I'm just gonna put a background color of, like, let's say CCC. And also I am gonna just give this an ID of oh wait, I wanna replace it with single quotes. It's a bad habit of putting double quotes when it's not necessary. So I'm gonna give this a card holder title. Card holder title. I'm gonna remove the margin of this, and I'm also gonna give this a position of relative. I'm gonna give this a top of 0. I'm gonna give this a padding of 50 pixels from the bottom. Auto 50, just 50 pixels 0. It's gonna work. And then also I want to do margin 0 auto, and then I want to do text align center. Now when I give this a background color of yellow, it should be perfect. There we go. Wait, but what if I give this a display of inline block? But now I don't want this. There we go. Perfect. So now if I actually put a paragraph, it shouldn't be with the background color of yellow, right? It should be gray. So now this is perfect, and that's exactly what we want, because we don't have to define width of anything. So I'm gonna remove this. Now we're just gonna style the title. So I'm gonna remove the background color. I'm gonna give this a font family of railway, and then sans serif if by any reason it doesn't get downloaded. Now there's a letter spacing of 0.2. I don't know. Let me see. Oh yeah, max width at 170 pixels. Max width, because look, now it won't be responsive. You will see that's unresponsive. Wait, it is. Oh yeah, that's because it's in a div. But I'm just gonna give it anyway. There we go. So now it's even more responsive, as you can see. Well, it's not really, it doesn't really matter, but still nice to have it. Now let me see what the. Oh yeah, but by the way, I inspected before the video a little bit of the code, so that's how I knew that the margin was gonna be 50 pixels. Font size 25 pixels, or sure. I don't know. That's probably for something else. I think it's 30 pixels. Letter spacing 0.2 m. Yeah. Then text transform, font weight 700. It's good to have defined the font weight, because remember that we imported actually as well the light version of Railway, so that's good. Now letter spacing is gonna be 0.2 m. Is it this big? Maybe it is font size 25 pixels. No, it's definitely not that small. I'm just gonna do text transform of uppercase. Doesn't really matter because it's uppercase anyway. Now what I want to do is actually I want to give this background color white. What else? Am I missing something? I don't think so. Let's see. It is exactly the same, I think. Okay, maybe this is a little bit bigger. So I am gonna give this a font family of a font size, I meant, of 25 pixels, but I'm not really sure. Like, no, this looks way too small. I don't like it. 30 pixels? I mean, it is 30 pixels, but you will see that it's not gonna change because, oh wait, it does change. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it at 30. It's 30 probably. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna create sections, and I'm gonna do two classes of sections. One is gonna be for the left, and one for the right. I know that the height is 450 pixels, and the width is 50% of the viewport, until it gets to here when it becomes 100% of the viewport. So yeah, let's do that. We are gonna create two sections. So I mean, there are going to be 12 sections in total, but I'm going to do only 2 for now. So section class equals city card left slash section, and then section class city card right. Section. There we go. Now we're gonna come in here and define that. So section card. Oh wait, no, I think there's a way better way to do this. I'm just gonna give each a city card, and there we go. Yeah, this is gonna work. So I'm just gonna do city card, and I'm gonna give it a position of relative, width 50%. Height 450 pixels, background color, let's say red, border 2 pixels solid black. You know what, I don't like the color red, so I'm just gonna do color CCC. There we go. Yeah. But now I'm gonna do city card left, and it's gonna have a left of 0, of course, and then city card right. Oh, and it's gonna have a right of 0. Toggle. So it doesn't work with relative. I was right about that, but I was not right about the syntax of the CSS, which is whatever. It doesn't really matter. There we go. So there's a total of 12 sections here, 2 columns, 6 in each column. I mean 12 cards. So let's count on again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 12. So I'm gonna create 12 of them. Oh wait, not in the CSS, in the HTML. You know what? I'll be right back when I create 12 sections. Alright, but now I think I know why I wanted to do position relative. Because when I do position absolute, they're on top. And I don't want this, like, I wish I could make it relative. But no, there should be a way, because look, I created 4 of them and they're on top of each other. I want relative. Because you're gonna see that there are 4. Oh wait, float. Oh, float is gonna work. Float left. Float right. Oh, but that's kind of like chess. Wait, what if I remove the border? Yeah, now it's gonna work. So I want to give this a background color of like CCC, and I want to give this a background color of wait, maybe just a border bottom of 2 pixel solid black and a border top of 2 pixel solid black. You know what, I totally forgot about float, to be fair. I want to remove this. No, I don't. Oh, there we go. There we go. So yeah, I'll skip when I'm finished with all the sections. So I have 8 more to go. No, wait. Yeah, 8 more to go. Alright, so I found a weird bug. Because there are a total of 11 sections, and the last one is left. So it should mean that left should be one more than right. But they're equal. Now when I do a section of, and give it a class of city card right, there are 6 sections of right and 5 of left, when they should be totally equal. And that's, I think that's because it's 50%. I don't know actually. To be fair, I don't know, but I have to create 1 section more of city card left to actually be viewable. I don't know why. Wait. Maybe I've misspelled one. Hold on a second. City card. I'm just gonna copy this everywhere. Left. No, it's still the same. Turns out that I don't have an error anywhere. Let me try for the right. It may have an error for the right. Oh yeah, it's because I didn't close it right here. There we go. Fixed it. Yes. So I am finished. We have a total of 12 cards, as you can see. So what I actually saw is that this line is an image. And I was kind of worried about that because I had no idea how I'm going to do it. I thought, well, maybe I could create a div and give it a border. But now that it's an image, I'm a little bit relieved. So I am probably going to do 2 of the cards today, and I'm going to finish them off in the next tutorial. So, or maybe I can do it off camera. Well, yeah, I'll most probably do it off camera, so I'm just gonna do these 2 today. I'm gonna finish them off camera, so in the next tutorial we can move on to the footer. So yeah, that's gonna be exciting. So now let me just see how we're gonna do this. This has a background image that I am gonna copy. So copy image URL. I'm gonna give oh wait, but now we have to, let's see. Yeah. Okay, so now I have to give them IDs, so I'll be right back again, so, yeah. Alright, so I'm finished, and actually what I did is I gave each section of an ID of the name of the city, so that way it's gonna be like way easier to figure out what I'm gonna do. I've done the CSS, so now I am gonna show you how to do it for probably 2 cards, and then I'm gonna cut to the whole finished product. So actually, I didn't really plan this, but I guess we're gonna be doing the whole main body of the website today, so this is going to be a really short tutorial, I guess. I mean, really short series. So, New York, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on inspect, and I'm going to copy the image, the background image. So, open link a new tab. I'm going to copy the image address. And opacity 0.6. That's good to know. Background position, background size, cover, there we go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to New York, and I'm going to give this a background image of URL and side. Just do background size was cover, and the opacity was 0.6, right? What? Oh, I think that it's because it's a separate div. Should be the same. I don't know. Cause wait. Now I'm just gonna do background position and then repeat. So background position, center, and then background repeat and repeat. I think that's good enough, is it? Alright, so I played a little bit with the colors and the whole div itself, I mean the whole section, and let me just show you something. So you can see how this image has a light gradient of a light shade of purple, and when I remove it, this is what it looks like. Let me just show you. Okay, look. So when I remove the gradient of purple, it looks like this, and this is the original image, and that's the image that I put into our background image for our background image. When I apply it, it looks better, and because I want to make everything perfect, I have done exactly that, but in a different way, because I didn't really get how they did it, since they had like a lot more divs and sections. So this is what I did. You can see that it's exactly the same for the background image, but when I remove this, it turns like really rough, and we want to soften this. And so what I did was I actually changed the section into a div, and I created a section inside, so the div is actually going to have the background color, and the section itself is actually going to have the main content. So that's the plan of our div, and let's see how we are going to do this. So I created for this, but I think that I'm gonna have to replace everything with a div, so I don't really want to do that, but I guess that I'm gonna have to do it. But yeah, and I think for every div it's a different color, at least what I think, because it is probably a different color. So I guess I'm gonna have to figure out for all the divs and everything. So I'm just gonna do. For New York today, I'm gonna do everything off camera, so you'll see. Well, what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna click on Command F. The first thing I want to do is I want to replace this with this, because I forgot about it. So wait, hold on a second. I'm gonna click on Find. I'm gonna replace it everywhere. So that's how I replace everything. Replace all. Now I'm gonna replace section. Fine. And replace it with the div. Replace all. There we go. You see how fast it happened? Nothing changed really. So what now I'm planning on doing is creating an inner section for every div that is actually going to contain the main content of the div, like the image and the title and the subtitle. So I am gonna call this, instead of lol, I just wanted to test it out, I'm gonna call it New York content. Yeah, so New York content. There we go. It looks really good to me. And I wanted to make everything exactly the same, so that's why I did it. I could have left it with the original image, but you know how I am. So what I'm gonna do now is I want to see if this is an what is this? This is a link. But okay, so I'm gonna create a link. I'm gonna create an anchor tag. So href JavaScript void 0. Now I'm gonna copy this, paste it in, oh no, I wanted to copy New York. There we go. So now what we're gonna do is, so only this is a link, so I think it's gonna be pretty safe to say for here city card 8. I think it's gonna be pretty fair. Needs to say so color white, text decoration none, font family railway, and sans serif if they don't have real. Now we're gonna do basically the same but for visited, so city card A visited, so color white, text decoration none, and font family railway sans serif. Wait, hold on a second. Did I misspell railway? Huh. Oh, it's rail, not like for the trains. So it's railway. Oh. Railway. Oh, I guess I've misspelled that as well. Huh. Good thing that I saw it. Railway. There we go. And railway. Yeah. So I think the font family here is like more than bold, or maybe it's not. So is there a font weight something? Font size is 65. No, I think that's a little bit too much. It's not probably. Is it? I don't know. The font weight, so it is 700, so it's not bold, so yeah, it's not a problem. Font weight 700, and same here. For visited, I'm just gonna do exactly the same for some things, just in case. So the font size is what, 65 pixels. Let's try that. Font size 65 pixels. Okay. No, it's not that. That's not the font size that we're looking for. Wait, there's no active if there, okay. Huh. Font size 30 pixels. It should be 30, yeah. 30 pixels. Oh, I think it is 30 pixels. But there's letter spacing. And what was it? Line height 1.3 first. I forgot that. Line height. Actually, I don't think it's gonna matter here. Not a lot. And then, oh, maybe. Wait. So letter spacing 0.1 m. Letter spacing 0.1 m. Oh, okay, so the font size is 35 pixels. Yeah. I'm gonna have to refresh this because I changed it to 55 by accident. There we go. You know what I want to do? I want to give this display a flex. And then I'm gonna do justify content center. Wait, hold on. I meant to do it for, actually, hold on, it might work here. And then align item center, and then display, flex direction column. What if it's a row? You know what? I'm just gonna copy the whole code. I'm gonna put it in the wrapper, in the New York div. Okay, nope. I meant in your content. Maybe column. Yeah, now it's gonna align everything in the absolute center. Alright, so now let's see if there's a padding. No, I don't think there is. So let's see. Okay, oh, looks fine to me. Text decoration, underline, what? Did I do 0.19 for the letter spacing? Yeah, okay, good. But it might be more. No, it is. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy the image. Just gonna bring that up here. And I'm gonna say image. I can't find the image because it's white. Don't say anything. Copy image address, and then I'm gonna inspect this. So it's a paragraph for some reason, and it has an image inside. But actually, it makes sense to put it in a paragraph tag. So we're gonna wrap around. We're actually gonna create a paragraph tag. I'm gonna put an image as reference. Like this. Oops. Yeah. Alright. Vertical line middle, font size, width 121 pixels and height 6 pixels. So, are there gonna be more images? No. Okay, so city card image width 121 pixels, height 6 pixels. It's basically the same. I don't think it's gonna change. Alright. Width. What if I do like 1000? There we go. So it does change it. Definitely not save it. Alright, so why is there a line height for this? Oh no, that's for the top again. I don't get it why it doesn't matter. Now we're gonna inspect this. So it's an H5 tag. Makes sense because we can't choose a paragraph because the image is in the paragraph itself. So we're gonna put an H5 tag right after the paragraph. So H5. Then I'm gonna close this H5. I'm gonna copy this text. And I'm gonna do text transform here. I forgot to do it. Not text align. Text transform uppercase. Just in case, you know. So it says strong. And there's a break somewhere. So everything around is wrapped around in a strong tag for some reason. Strong. Let's see this. Doesn't really change anything, but Alright, so let's see it. H5 tag. Margin bottom 15 pixels. Oh, and there's a break after that, so it's right before the closing of the strong, so break. I don't know if that's gonna change anything, but H5. So what we're gonna do is city card H5, and then margin bottom 15 pixels. Margin bottom 15 pixels. Okay. Font family railway. Font family railway. And then sans serif. Color, of course, white. Font family 700. Letter spacing 0.2. So first letter spacing 0.2 n. Font family 700. I want to see the font size, so 17 pixels. Font size 17 pixels. There should be a margin before. Yeah, margin before. I'm gonna copy this basically. And I'm gonna paste it in here. So what this does for now is basically it's just aligning it a little bit more to the top. But I want to change the distance between the image. Wait, what if I remove the break? I don't even know why there's a break. I think if I remove the break, it should be fine. Break. What if I add another break? So the break doesn't do anything. I don't even know why there's a break there, but whatever. Margin bottom 10 pixels for the image. Wait. City card P. Margin bottom 10 pixels. Is there anything else for the paragraph? What if I remove this? Alright, so are they evenly aligned? I think they're a bit closer. I think. No, they're not. Wait, so is this it? Let me just kind of like scroll to here. Scroll to here and kind of see if they're the same. Oh. So I was right about the margin. I'm gonna have to fix that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix the margin. So I'll be right back when I find the solution for the margin. Alright, so I think I done it. So what I did is for the link, I removed the line height. So actually, no, I didn't remove it. I changed it to line height 1. And also for the paragraph, I basically like removed the margin. Actually, I did margin bottom 0. And it's going to align both sides evenly. And the only problem is that the alignment right here is a little bit different, but I think that's due to the font weight, because the font weight isn't exactly the same. But I'm gonna leave it like this. So that's it for this tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed this really long tutorial. Again, sorry about that. And so yeah, if you did, make sure to slide that like button below, and if you have any questions, make sure to leave them down in the comment section below. And I'll see you in the next one. See ya.